Good, how are you?
All right, I'm Brett.
MJ.
MJ, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice job backing that in.
Yeah, right?
I like that trailer.
Yeah. Yeah, it comes in handy.
Yeah.
So what's the deal? You said it doesn't start?
It does. Well, what happened? So I moved back into town, I don't know, about 2 years ago. So I bought this last summer.
Okay.
I just needed something to get me going for it.
Yeah.
I just moved in here about a year ago.
Okay.
Ran fine. You know, it's older. It's,
yeah.
You know, ran fine. And then what happened was I was going over this berm right here.
Okay.
And the spring underneath, something popped in the spring. There's no oil in it. I'll tell you why.
Well, it's got a little bit of oil.
There's a little bit, but it does have a leak.
Okay.
So the spring broke.
Oh.
So basically, when I would go to engage the blade,
yeah,
it would kill the motor.
Okay.
So I couldn't figure out what it was.
Okay.
So basically, I just used it as a lawn tractor to pull my trailer and shit around the yard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So one day I was out here just engaging it, trying to see what belt or what was wrong that was making the engine die. Because other than that, it ran fine. And so I'd engage it, and then it would kill the engine, and I was looking at it, and then I did it a couple times, and then it just wouldn't start after that.
Okay.
And then I found oil. I stored it in the garage all winter.
Do you know where the oil is coming from?
It was directed. I think we might have blown a gasket or something, but I don't know where it was coming from. But it leaked a little bit of oil. So basically, what was killing it, when I would engage the blade here,
yeah,
it would kill the engine. So I was trying to troubleshoot it just because I was just going to use it to just pull shit around the yard.
Yeah.
The tires are good. I got air filters and stuff for it. It's good for parts. If you don't want it, I understand, but I'm just sick. I got 3 mowers sitting on that property right now, so I'm like, I might as well see if somebody wants to tinker around with it.
Yeah. And when you go to start it, does it
does nothing right now.
It does nothing.
Because basically, when I was engaging the blade, I would get to about here, and it would kill the engine. So I was like, okay, it's got to be a belt or mechanism or something.
Well, hopefully it's not the PTO. The PTO clutch is like the most expensive thing.
Is it?
And from the sounds of it, it would be possibly, or at least something to look at.
$100?
$100. Let's get it loaded up and. All right, boys, we're back with the Craftsman. We got oil. We got gas, and supposedly it's good gas. We got nothing. So we're going to take out the old battery. I got a new battery we're going to throw in there, and we'll see what happens. See what she does. We got it on run, choke. Voila. Voila. Parking brake on. Seems to run just fine. It's a little smoky. I don't see nothing leaking yet. Let's see if she'll drive. Drives. Let's try reverse. Let's try the PTO. Okay. Definitely didn't like that. Something's definitely going on. Take a better look. Where's the PTO? All right, boys. I think we found the problem. Yeah, he definitely hit something, all right? Look at this. Or that spring came loose and he picked it up, or I don't know. Maybe a chain link or something. But let's go ahead, pull that blade off real quick. Golly. Oh, we definitely, we'll see how she does. But yeah, I think that's why your PTO was not engaging. All right, let's redo this. All right, boys, let's see if she'll mow some grass. Mowing.